So we've just made it just before dark to this lakeside location. So yes, I guess we just find a little spot down here somewhere. It's a shame we didn't just get here like 15 minutes ago because we would have seen the sunset, but it's still really nice and we did make it before dark. I think we're going to get a little campfire going on and have a little beer and maybe even have a quick dip in here before it gets completely dark. What do you reckon?
Love this wild swimming.
Is it nice?
Lakes, rivers, mountains. It's alright, it's not bad. Just got to watch the mozzies. I don't think I'm going to stay in here for long.
Just look at that scene. Not a bad place to take a dip.
Quick, babe. Testing out the new axe.
Whew. The new axe, we bought it today for like €6 in the sales in Tesco's. And we're using it for like, this is only our second maybe, campfire of the trip, so we're quite excited, even though we got here late. But yes, we're using the axe and I'm almost through this.
Always wanted an axe.
I've never used an axe before, so I'm quite chuffed that I've nearly made it through this log. Well, we did it. We arrived late, but we did it. We got our little campfire going. I'm gonna tin foil a few potatoes, get those in there for our tea, and maybe I'm gonna toast. What else have we got? I'll have to have a look what we've got. But we need to get some logs on here by the looks of it. So it's perfect. We've got a campfire, we've got our little speaker with a little bit of music, we've got a glass of wine, and an absolutely lovely location.
So because we arrived late, we didn't have time to get much firewood. Luckily there's a load of, well, a dead tree and a load of branches over there, but we're lacking big chunky ones. But there is just like half a trunk here, which we've just thrown on, so hopefully that's just going to keep the fire going. And then we're alright, because yeah, I can't bother to go off finding logs at this time. Need to get the spuddies on.
This is such a good fire, like the heat coming off it. I'm getting all of the potatoes that we've got are going in. The heat is just crazy. But it's nuts because it's so mild tonight. We don't need this, you know, you don't need the heat, but if it was cold, you could still quite easily sit out here all night. That's just a bread roll.
Here she is.
Here he is.
What are you doing, darling?
Hello. Well, I'm making us a cooked breakfast comprising of beans, mushrooms and onions, and leftover jacket potato from last night's bonfire. Bonfire? Barbecue?
Barbecue bonfire, yeah.
Campfire, yes. And toast. For the sake of the vlog, I've just burnt the toast. So it's all going on over here.
We had a lovely campfire last night. We got a nice big log on there, so fortunately we didn't have anything more than potatoes, but that was enough. So we threw all,
rolls.
yeah, bread rolls, toasted bread rolls, all delicious, loads of seeds on. 6 potatoes. I ended up eating like 3, maybe 4 of them. And it was really nice. Put some music on, you know, a glass of wine, a glass of stout, glass of beer, little shots. Sarah was just going on about how mild and lovely the weather was. We went to bed, put the fire out, suddenly a storm came in. The weather changed like that, woke up like 4 o'clock in the morning after being asleep for 4 hours or something. And it was really blowing a gale out there. The fire relit itself. That big log, flames were coming out of it again, so I had to go out, put that out, and then it started raining and it's changed. The weather's just, I think winter's come now.
But it's getting a bit brighter, so we're keeping our fingers crossed. We've got so much to do today. We've got laundry and going shopping and everything else, so it doesn't matter too much that it's going to be a miserable day, does it really?
No, we've got to wash every single item.
Every single piece of material in this van needs to be laundried, so we're going to be in the laundrette for probably about 4 hours. So, exciting day ahead!
This is our location. This was our campfire, remnants of.
Breakfast of champions.
Look at that. Baked beans with herbs, fried potatoes, seasoning, mushrooms and onion. Pretty healthy. Cooked breakfast is just what you need on a grey autumn wet and
Slightly
cold.
hungover day.
Slightly hungover day.
Slightly hungover.
We drank all our souvenirs, didn't we?
Maybe one glass of wine too many, no?
It's like medicine, it's like cough syrup.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.